What is up, YouTube? In today's video, I'm going to be doing an oil and filter change on my Yamaha XT225. This is a 2003. I just picked it up a couple months ago and I've been riding it, but it's time for me to make sure the oil and the fluids are all ready to go. So let's do this. I'm going to be using regular 10W40 oil. This is full synthetic motorcycle oil, and I've got the KN 143 oil filter ready to go. First thing to do is remove this engine guard. It uses one 10 millimeter bolt. Once that comes off, the guard just comes out. And just set this to the side and be ready to put it on later. Before you replace the oil, you want to warm up the engine for a couple minutes. Mine has trouble starting without a little bit of choke when it's cold. Okay, I've been running this for a couple minutes. I'm going to shut it off. Okay, next thing you want to do is loosen the oil filter cap. That's hot right there. I'm going to loosen that. That's going to allow some airflow. And then you got to loosen the oil drain plug on this side. It's a 19 millimeter. Okay, make sure you get a oil receptacle underneath, and then you can loosen this drain plug. Again, it's a 19 millimeter. If I can. Okay, this is stubborn, so I'm going to use a little bar on here. Get some leverage on this. And just like that. Now, as you remove the drain plug, there's a compression spring, an oil strainer, and an O-ring. They're going to come out, so make sure not to lose those. There. There's the compression spring, and an oil strainer, and an O-ring and a filter. So make sure you don't lose those. Or just keep track of them. That's pretty black. And just let that drain until it's empty. While your engine oil is still draining, you can go ahead and start removing the filter cover. Filter cover is attached by 3 screws. 2 are 8 millimeter, and 1 it uses a hex Allen wrench. You want to remove this bottom one first. There. And these are different lengths too. So note the lengths here. That's the top right. And the top left is much shorter. Yeah, that top just fell right. I should have been ready for that. That's the oil cover. Came right off.
What are you doing?
I am changing the oil. Changing the oil on my motorcycle. Good stuff, huh? Then you can remove the old oil filter. Make sure you notice which direction it is going. Should just come right out. Okay. It goes one way. That's the inside. I don't know how old this one was, but I'm going to replace it since I just got the motorcycle. With the bike on its kickstand to the left, there's still a little bit of oil in there. So I'm just gonna clean that up, the old oil. I've seen some people tip the bike all the way to its side on the right side. I don't see that that's necessary. Oh my gosh, what? There's my honey.
Cute.
Oh, the cat is laying on my laptop. Get off, buddy. Stop. What are you doing? What are you doing? Hey, get off my laptop. This bottom nut needs to be tightened to 7.2 foot-pound and 5.1 foot-pound on the top left. Yeah, both of these 5.1 foot-pounds. What else are you gonna make?
I told you everything.
All right, well.
Yeah, corn.
Corn and watermelon for dinner.
And okra.
Excellent. Thank you, babe.
That's it.
Well, we're gonna put the plug back on. Make sure you get the gasket in this way, and the spring out here. And you are gonna need to torque it down to 31 foot-pound. So I've got a torque wrench here. So I'm gonna set it at 31. That's 30, and that's 31. There, you hear that click? That's 31 right there. There's my wife picking figs off our fig tree. Next step is to add the oil. I'm gonna add 1 quart first and let it settle. It should take about 1.3 quarts if you do a full filter change. One thing I want to point out is there's an oil level window down here. It should be about halfway when you tip the bike in a real vertical position off the kickstand. All right, let's see if you can see this. I'm gonna tip the bike towards me, and I can see just a bit of oil right there. It's almost enough. So I'm gonna add another 0.3 quarts here.
How much money have you made from YouTube, Dad?
Not very much. I just have fun doing it. Okay, we just finished the oil change. What do you think? Last step is to put this plug on.
Dad, what time is it?
It is 10 o'clock in the morning.
Ryan has baseball at 11.
Lane's is at 11, yours is at 12. You ready?
Yeah.
Okay. So that's it. Pretty easy, straightforward. Change the oil and the filter on this XT225. It only took me about 10 minutes of actual working time. So pretty straightforward.
Bye.
Last step before you're done is just to replace the engine guard. Slide it in to a slot, and you've got 1 bolt here. It's gonna be a much happier engine with some fresh oil. Jed, you wanna film me as I ride away?
Yeah.
Okay. Come over here.
Okay.
Get the bike in the shot. There you go. Let's do it. Good. It's running good. Good job, buddy. Give me the camera. Good job, man. Love this bike. 2003 Yamaha XT225 oil change. Have a good one, YouTube. All right, some bonus footage for y'all. We have this massive fig tree by our house, and it just puts out amazing figs. You like them?
Yeah. I don't bite the outside of it.
I eat the whole thing.
I eat the inside.
All right, let's see it. Good?
Yeah.
Yeah, there's a nice one. I eat the whole thing.
Some of these are fermenting.
So good.
Eating right this minute.